Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rome. You guys are watching the fourth official. It's a place and the only place you can get that Jamaican American experience on football with a heavy bias towards Manchester United. I want to start off by saying thank you everyone for subscribing, continue to like and share the videos and the posts from the fourth official. And if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We have a lot more content coming toward you with Manchester United, football, and of course the Reggae Boys. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me. Let's get after it, yeah? So the Reggae Boys has just came out with the schedule for the World Cup qualifiers starting in September. And I must say, I'm not very optimistic about this World Cup qualifiers coming up. And I don't know how you guys are feeling, but I'm still very disappointed of what's going on in the Reggae Boys camp. The revelations coming outside after the World Cup exit. And so today we're going to talk about that. But before we go, let's kick it off with a little bit of good news. We have feared the worst with the Manchester United COVID breakout. It was initially reported that 9 people within players and staff were tested positive, but it turns out no first team player has tested positive for COVID, so they can continue training and hopefully everyone recovers safely and quickly. Now, without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. The Gold Cup exit has come and gone for the Reggae Boys, and it's been doom and gloom for all Reggae Boys fans. You have a lot of people out there defending the players, defending the coach, defending the JFF, and then you have a lot of people out there who are upset. A lot of people are upset with the coach, with the players' performance, with the management of the JFF, and these feelings have been fermenting for a while. You understand? And as a people, we are trying to get our minds behind why is it that we cannot grasp the perfect opportunity for us to get some silverware, for us to get our name back on the map, for people to start looking at us as a serious CONCACAF contender for the World Cup. And I've been baffled by the different explanations we've been having over the past couple of days. Now, yesterday I started a live conversation with some of the guys from the coaches desk, Ryan LFC, Cataract, one of the panelists, regular panelists and coaches desk, and the Formula Sports. And some revelations were made in that conversation yesterday. I implore you to go back and watch it. It was a live chat. We call it Rome Unfiltered because we wanted people to come on and speak their minds. And one of the most revealing things that come out of that conversation yesterday, which I want to amplify in this video, is that during the World Cup, during this entire process of us watching and celebrating and supporting our team, we had our player allegedly going to parties during the Gold Cup. Like these man, they in a party and have browning and wine up on them tiddlywinks. Make that sink in for a second. These players leaving camp, going to parties in the middle of the night, if you're going to make woman wine up on them tiddlywinks, while they're supposed to be focusing on winning a championship. Now, you tell me, how is that acceptable? Someone out there defending these players, the JFF and the coaching staff, tell me, how is that possible? How is it that there's a culture within the Jamaican national football system that players and thinks that they are allowed to do this kind of stuff? These men are supposed to be professionals, fam. These men, the game got set back against Costa Rica, and all of them, if not majority of them, in the locker room, going on live, dancing about, instead of concentrating on what the task is at hand. How are these men professional, fam? See, the Jamaica football system and Jamaica on a whole has been struggling with professionalism, you know. You understand? Been struggling with the it's not even a fine line, the thick line of being a professional and wanting to succeed, or just being extremely talented and just get to where you're at and you feel like this at the pinnacle. These men feel like they're at the pinnacle and they need to enjoy themselves. They have no ambition to go any further. Where is the professionalism? Why is it that patrons are partying with footballers, seeing footballers in clubs when they're supposed to be in the hotel or relax if you either go train the next day or play a game the next day? You're there in a club and make woman a wine up on your tiddlywinks when you have a championship to win for the country. Where's the responsibility, fam? What kind of men are you, bro? Me come up here upon scholarship, and if my coach ever hear, I hear a whisper, so well, we go Florida for go run track meet. Instead of we there our bed, we go on a party, we lose your scholarship. And these men represent the country. And you can't keep yourself to yourself for a month. How that makes sense? It's no wonder why we get kicked off out of the competition. We lack professionalism. And this information has to come from someone who was there, or someone who saw it, or someone who had first-hand experience. I heard about it. I guarantee you, if this was an overseas-based player, the entire country would have known about it the moment it happened. But it wasn't. It was a local-based player. Why is it that we're not here? We just now hearing about this, and a lot of people don't even know about this. Where is the professionalism? You know what this is like? This is like you have a hog pen, and you have one pig in a pen, and the pig are living there for years and years and years, dirty, mud, all sort of something. And you decide to build another hog pen right next to it, and you take out the pig, you bathe him, clean him, give him a nice little haircut, nice little fade, make sure him shave and everything, and put the pig in front of the two pen them. And you know what the pig do? Go right back into the old hog pen before you go in and clean like a bed. That's what this is for. And then you guys are trying to make a case for us to continuously call in the Jamaican band players when these men don't want to be there to win. These men want to be there to enjoy themselves. This is not a fun thing. You're not going on a trip. We're not talking about 17 or 16-year-old boys. Aren't you supposed to be representing the country, fam? We're in the camp, Monday in the camp, and disrespect the coach. As much as we rate the coach as an individual who don't think he's good enough to carry it forward, as a member of the football team, you shouldn't be disrespecting the coach, fam. We're hearing that the coach a promise man game time. Like some of them got a guarantee to get game time. Is that why Alvas Paulos contact the playing all the time? Is that why Fisher call up at every squad there is in that Whitmore ever pick? Ask yourself those kind of questions. What kind of party shop these men running at the JFF Football Federation? Or what kind of tiddlywink show these men running? I need to know. I would love to find out. Why is it that we have footballers in 2021 that are representing the country at the nation's second most important competition, which is the CONCACAF World Cup? And these men are going to parties and make brownie wine up on them tiddlywinks instead of them there in the hotel room, resting, recovering for the next game. Explain. Someone down in the comments explain. Someone in the comments explain. Let me take a moment to say again, thank you guys so much for you guys are watching the videos, you guys are sharing it, subscribing. I appreciate that. If you're brand new, you're watching this for the first time, make sure you drop a subscribe on the video as well, and continue to share with your friends and family so we can have like-minded conversations. And now to the next part, the most important part, the JFF. Now we know, and Kaka mentioned this in the video yesterday, that CONCACAF relies on USA, Mexico, and Jamaica to push marketing for the CONCACAF World Cup. These are the teams that brings all of the TV views and the fans in the stadiums. So rightly so, CONCACAF are going to give Jamaica, the JFF, some money. You got that money to improve your team, JFF. Where is it? Allegedly, we're hearing that the JFF use the money where them get, we're supposed to improve the team, and might not even use it, man, them pocket it. What are you guys doing, JFF? What are you guys doing? You come up big and bold, tell we say you got a masseuse for the team and things are going well. Right now, we're hearing that the JFF didn't go and get a masseuse for the team, It was one of those overseas-based players come with him personal masseuse, and the JFF saw an opportunity and said, all right, you can do a little thing for the team. The JFF didn't go out and source a masseuse with all of the money where them get from CONCACAF for the competition. You understand what I'm saying to you here? That's so sad. They go to talk about, oh, we got a videographer, someone who's going to make videos and analyze the team. It is our understanding, and it came out yesterday in the live chat, that's why I'm amplifying it now, that a Fulham sent them videographer to watch them two footballers, which is Bobby Reed and Hector. And Jamaica again see the opportunity. I don't know if them pay him for do it or if he actually did any work for the JFF. But the JFF did not hire any videographer. They did not hire a masseuse. We're hearing that man got an hotel door and knock on door, a beg for a massage, and the man can't get no massage. That is how they're treating the ballers. The professionalism is not there as a country. All we expect to go forward. Now, I mentioned earlier in the video that the JFF showed us all of the fixtures, or some of the fixtures in the World Cup qualifiers. People, I have lost all hope in us qualifying for the World Cup. With the incompetence from top to bottom, trickling all the way down to the players, I have lost all hope. After hearing all of this, Even though I wasn't an advocate for it at first, I am no longer an advocate for any Jamaican born players right now if you're not good enough to make the team. So Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, Leon Bailey, those are the only three at this point that I would bring into the World Cup qualifiers. I will go out and source everybody else from leagues all over the world, fam. All over the world, bro. And maybe Maggie, maybe Maggie. Because at this point, there is absolutely no explanation for what these men did. None. They weren't good enough before, and the fact that they get to the national program and I do them stuff here, no explanation. There's no excuses, fam. No excuses. Again, if you guys didn't hear the full story, it was laid out on the live yesterday. It's like 2.5 hours of talking with Cataract, coach's desk, Ryan LFC, Formula Sports. Go and take a look at it. That has been my views. Let me know yours in the comments. Again, do you think Jamaica has the professionalism to get it anywhere? Or is this JFF party shop going to go any further? The man them done with the tiddlywinks. Those have been my views. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Manaz.